to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't
Hi
that
guys,
amazing?
welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. So I want to give a shout out to all my Jewish family. I have been so blessed and lucky to meet some lovely Jewish people from around the globe. So let me give a shout out to the Persian Jews, the Iranian Jews, and the Israeli Jews from all over the world, because I'll be making a special dish today. It's called kugel, and I know you all love kugel. I love kugel. So here's my ingredients for today. I'm gonna be working with some egg noodles, eggs, raisin, some lemon juice, cinnamon, salt. No disrespect, I know it's kosher salt. All I have is Himalayan salt, butter. I'll be adding some allspice, which you don't add, right guys? And some white sugar, cottage cheese, and some sour cream with some cornflakes, because I'll be making a topping. All right, so this is my ingredients for today, guys. Let's get the ball rolling. So guys, to this boiling water, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. And this recipe calls for 1 pound, which is 16 ounces of noodles, but here I have 12 ounces. So I'm gonna use this whole pack. I'm gonna try and get like 4 out of this. So maybe a little bit more than a half. And I'm gonna boil this, not until it's fully cooked, until it's like al dente. All right. So okay guys, for this recipe, I'm going to need 2 cups of cottage cheese, and this is 16 ounces. So 8 ounces 1 cup, 16 ounces 2 cups. And to this guys, I'm gonna need a cup of sour cream. To this, I'm gonna add a cup of raisin. The raisin, I put them to soak before I use them, so they can be nice and soft. And to this, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of lemon juice. This is a half a cup of granulated sugar with a 1/4 of a teaspoon cinnamon and an 1/8 of teaspoon allspice. Remember, I'm the one who is just putting the allspice to this recipe. Only call for the cinnamon. You know, Fergie love a little spice, a little extra spice, right? And I'm gonna put this aside and let it sit and wait until our noodles are ready. So okay guys, what didn't I put? I didn't put some salt in this. Remember, I put salt to boil the noodles. So I'm just gonna put a 1/2 teaspoon of salt in this, and also I have a 1/2 stick of melted butter that I'm gonna add. And by the way guys, this is 6 eggs, all right? And you need a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. I don't have one that size, so I'm just gonna make what fit in this, and what left over I'll put it in something else. And here's my noodles. Not too soft guys. I'm just gonna fold it in. Yummy, yummy poodle. With my oven set at 375, I'm gonna put this in for 35 to 45 minutes. For this, we're gonna have some orange flakes to the top. To this, I'm gonna add some cinnamon. And some sugar. Remember, $3.75, 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present my kugel coming from Fergie's Kitchen. I can't wait to dig into it. Guys, I hope you love and I hope you like, because it is just delicious. Ay, ay, ay. I'm sorry I had to do it. I had to do it. I love kugels. As you know, I feed the heart, the mind, the body, and the soul, and it's time to feed the soul, guys. And today's scripture is coming from Jeremiah 1, verse 9. And they shall fight against thee, but they shall not prevail against thee, for I am with thee, saith the Lord, to deliver thee. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, when you see a new year, see realities and limit fantasies. The new year is coming. I think this will be air on New Year's Day. I think so. So happy New Year, guys. And I wish all the best. And to all my subscribers, thank you for hanging in there with me throughout the year. You have been awesome, and Fergie loves you. And thank you for all the love that you gave me back, right? And from Fergie's Kitchen to the rest of kitchens, Fergie loves you. Happy New Year, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye. See you next year.